Ever wondered where your tech accessories come to life? This is Onten, not the fanciest factory you'll see, but every corner here has a story to tell. From the R&D lab where ideas are born, to the production floor where every piece is built with care, to the quality checks that make sure nothing leaves without our stamp of approval, we're not just making products here, we're building something that's made for you. OEM, ODM, whatever you need, we're here to turn your vision into something real. This is our factory. This is how your brand gets made.